In this video, I'll show you how you can add N26 to Apple Pay. So to do this, all you want to do is to go and first open up the N26 app and then click on the cards tab in the bottom right. From here, you will see all your cards. Now, you can do this both with a physical or a virtual card. So for example, I have the simple one right here, which is a digital or a virtual card. So just click on the card you want to add to your Apple Pay. And once you do that, you will see this add to Apple Wallet. So you just want to click on that to Apple Wallet button. From here, going to click on the next, and you need to agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on the agree in the bottom right. Now I have added this card into my Apple Pay, and now I could also choose to make this card my default card by clicking on use as default. And how to actually use it, you can just double click on the on and off button, and once you do that, Apple Pay will open up and you can then use it to actually pay, or you can just use it on your phone itself and just select this card for your Apple Pay by sending it to default in previous steps. So now you know how to add N26 to Apple Pay. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.